Hello everyone, my name is AZZ Prajapati and here I would like to represent my presentation regarding HI6037 Business Analytics and Fundamentals. So my group number is Melbourne Solo 37 and in these subjects a teacher gave me some tasks like 10 questions regarding the Power BI, and here I would like to represent all that 10 questions and introducing my introduction with the business analytics has become an essential discipline for organizations aiming to make data driven decisions, enhance operational efficiency and gain a competitive edge. As we all know, uh, n- nowadays Power BI and business analytics are one of the, like, Power BI is the tool, but if I'm talking about the part of businesses, the most important and vital part are performed by the business analysis analytical person who has a data driven decision making to help organizations to make sure inform decision based on data insights. They predictive predictive analytics like use the statistical model and machine learning to forecast the trends. They visualize the data and use the tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Excel to help to represent the data graphically. They also use the analyze they also use the big data analysis to analyze the large data set from various sources like structured and unstructured. So come back to the topic again. It involves the systematic analysis and data using statistically. With the increasing availability of big data, business rely on advanced tools such as dashboard and Power BI to visualize key metric and monitor performance and support strategical decision making. So dashboard serves interactive platforms that consolidated data from multiple sources, offering a real-time overview of critical business indicators. They enable organizations to track sales, revenue, profitability, consumer trends, and operational efficiency through visual representations like graph, chart, and heat maps. So here I also would like to represent the most important part of the project is that Power BI. Power BI is the owned by Microsoft. This tool help us to, like, enhance the analytical process by providing robust data modeling. It has AI powered insights and seamless integration with various data sources. If I'm talking about little bit more about this Power BI, so it is secure and easy to access. It's help us to, like, connectivity with data to connect multiple data sources like Excel, SQL, server, cloud service, and APIs. They have interactive dashboards to enable user to be user to create interactive reports and charts to represent their data. DAX is the data analytic analysis expression, a formula language used by advanced calculation, which is also provided by Power BI. They have AI and machine learning inside and supports the predictive analytics. Now focusing on the questions 1. which is given by my teacher, and I represent with the answer. This chart shows total sales revenue and gross margin by categories. The household categories emerge as the most profitable segment, generating the highest sale revenue of 309.880k dollar. Following the household category, apparels ranks second in terms of profitability, recording a gross profit by the 65.49k. There's total 4 category. Others like grocery and camping. Camping is the lowest one. If I'm talking about the question 2, so the answer which is so in this chart, in this map, the analysis of gross margin distribution across highest distribution across states in 2070 highlights California as the top performing states, generating the highest gross margin of 12.4k dollar. Following California, Texas, and New York both contributed significantly, each recording a gross margin of $10.5 $10,000 5k. So, answering the question 3, the analysis of store discounts revealed that San Francisco offered the highest discount of $1,032.25. The listed of cities are in this list. Answering the question 4, the analysis of sales prices distribution across cities in 2070 identifies Idioton as the city which the highest maximum sales price of $345 with 84 cents. And also showing other cities in this list. To represent the question 5 with the answer of the analysis of product category sales in Idioton or 2070 reveals the April record did the highest total sales price of $4,300.25. Answering the question 6, in this line graph, sum of gross profit as margin. To represent the April category recorded the highest original sales price in 2070, highlighting its dominance in the revenue generation of that year. Furthermore, answer to the question 7, the household category recorded the highest fixed price in 2016, totaling $24,474.61. So there is total 4 category. In April is the highest, second highest, and the household is the highest one. So in this things we can see the 26 like total 1 week Saturday to the next Saturday, Jan 20 to Jan 14 2016, the all data we can see after the clicking of that tables. So in question 8 we can see the graph and gross margin by the day. So here we can answer this question. The analysis of gross margin trends reveals that January 2016 recorded the lowest gross margin. Answering to question 9, the analysis shows that in the year with the lowest gross profit, the April category recorded the lowest profit amounting to $1.50. If I'm talking about the highest, answering the question 10, last but not least, The analysis showed that in the year with the highest gross profit, the apparel category recorded the highest profit amounting to $253.45. This all the questions I have given in my report as well, and here in a representation as well. So I'm now represent my dashboards as well. So there is a total 6 dashboards. So if I'm talking about my dashboards, so give me a second. So dashboard analysis, uh, in this figure we can say the sales and profitability overview, total sales revenue, the first dashboard and the first chart showing that the total sales revenue and gross margin by category. Like in this bar chart highlights the revenue of like highlights the revenue and profit margin for different product categories, showing that household and apparel generate the highest revenue while camping and grocery contribute minimally. The second chart showing the count of region by state, which is equal sales spread across the region. Sum of the third one is sum of the gross profit by date. The fourth one is the gross margin by category. Household has 50.26% and appraisal has 44.85%. Profit sets are dominating, while camping has the smallest contribution in that one. If I'm talking about the highest profit by category, household and apparel as the leading revenue contributor in chart 5. If chart 6 has a category selection panel, a filtering tool for data drill down into specific product categories. If I'm talking about the dashboard 2, it's showing the categories with the gross margins in minus. We can see in minus 17.37 thousand. If I'm talking about sales discounts, so 95.81 cents. We can see in the first bar graph. So total gross profit is $65.49,000. The sum of total 309.80 thousand. Last but not the least of this last but not the least is, if this I'm talking about the last dashboard 3, it's represent with the colors. If I'm talking about the colors, so here household has a pink color, grocery has a purple color, apparel has a blue color, and orange represent the camping. So 33.47% of total sales with the maximum sales price of approximately 522.02 by household, and the list is that apparel with the blue represent with the blue 2% of total sales with the sales maximum sales price of around 40. So last but not the least in these slides is conclusion. Need to be conclude my presentation. So I'm concluding my presentation with the Power BI and dashboards, and also the business analytics, which is most important part of my subject. In today's data driven economy, business analytics, dashboards, and Power BI play a vital role in transferring raw data into a meaningful insights. Dashboard provide a clear and conscious representation of complex data, allowing business to monitor performance and identify trends efficiently. Power BI with advanced analytical capability enables organizations to explore data, create interactive reports, and enhance the collaboration. By leveraging these tools, business can improve operational efficiency, enhance the strategic planning, and drive profitability as well. Thank you so much, guys. If you have any question, tell me. Thank you so much.